Hello, Facebook Live.
Hi, everybody. Jamie and Marcus here.
We are in sunny Long Island.
Absolutely.
Chilly, but sunny. It's only like 60 degrees.
It is a little chilly.
55 degrees here. Internet's not that great here, so we might drop off. Not 100% sure. But we are on location here at Wolfler Vineyard. This is one of the premier Long Island vineyards. First vintage was 1992. Christian Wolfler, was his house back there. He lived on property. If you can see that somewhere back there. Yep, good. He's passed away in the last 6 years or so. Independently owned still.
That's the tasting area up above there. If you can see, it's beautiful up there. It's really nice.
They make amazing wines here at Wolfler. One of the larger wineries in Long Island. However, large for New York State producers is not large compared to a lot of the other areas of the world, especially when it comes to Napa or when it comes to France or some of these bigger Italian and Spanish vineyards. So we're still talking small family-owned vineyards. We're on the Hamptons Wine Trail, so we're in the South Fork right now. Jamie and I are here for a couple of days to do some research, so we know of all the hot spots to bring everybody, and we're going to plan our own trip down here, a group trip, and bring everybody down.
Absolutely. Absolutely. We tasted some awesome wines, some really good stuff.
Wolfler has had one of the most sought after rosés year after year after year.
Sells out every year.
Sells out in a month.
It's actually sold out already.
And we didn't get any this year. We usually get 2 cases from our distributor, and we couldn't even get any this year. Wolfler's busy as a whole. Since COVID, a lot of people, the place is packed right now. The outside deck is packed. They're open till 6 o'clock, and it keeps getting busier and busier. And he said they're like 2 months ahead of schedule right now.
He said this is like their June, July.
Yep, this is like their June crowd. Their June crowd at the end of April. So we are standing in the vines right now, in some Chardonnay vines that are 35 years old.
Planted in, what do you say, 92? 91?
First vintage was 92.
So 91, I think he said.
Yeah, there might be, let's turn around here so they can see.
Oh, okay.
They're the vine. Those are the vines right behind us right there. So, yeah, I'm in the sun. I can't see, but that's okay though.
I'm going to show you, I'm going to go this way. So I'll turn it this way. So that is the tasting room over there. It's really nice and beautiful, and look at all of the vines. They have 75 acres that they are planted on. We did learn that they do buy some of their grapes as well. So they definitely buy some grapes, but they're making some really cool wines. How many wines did he say? Like 20
different wines.
20 different wines. Today we tasted some Chardonnay.
2 Chardonnays.
We really like the stainless steel.
The unoaked
Chardonnay. We tasted an awesome sparkling rosé.
Oh my gosh, the sparkling rosé. Chardonnay and Pinot Noir, Method Champenoise, true Method Champenoise. Brilliant. About $40 retail a bottle. Brilliant. I think we'll probably bring some of that into the restaurant.
Absolutely.
Their Cabernet Franc 2019 was just delicious. The Kaya Cabernet Franc.
Their Italian.
Trebbiano
was really good.
The Trebbiano was my favorite of the whites.
Yes, absolutely.
Great dry Riesling.
Absolutely.
Their field blend was good. Their field blend white or summer blend, whatever they were calling it, was very good. Like 5 different grapes in that. But Wolfler Estate here in the South
Finger Lakes.
I know. Here in the South Fork. Here in the South Fork, award-winning winery has helped put Long Island on the map here. The Hamptons Wine Trail. Really making some great wines. Check them out if you're down here. If you see their wines, pick them up. They also make cider. They've been making cider a while.
We have their rosé cider in house right now. You can buy it to take to go, or you can have some of it while sitting at the restaurant on a nice, beautiful day. And
they also distill and make gin here.
They do, yeah.
We got gin and a couple spirits. We didn't taste any spirits.
But if you're watching us live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Give us a thumbs up so that we know that you're here. We would appreciate that. And we're super excited to be down here. This is our first trip, our first time at Wolfler, and our first time down here in Long Island going on the wine trail. And distillery. We'll be at a distillery tomorrow as well. So stay tuned.
Yep,
for all
LIV
that.
tomorrow.
Yeah, we're excited about
the
that.
Long Island vodka, Rough Rider, Long Island vodka.
Spirits is what it's called.
Sorbetto.
Yep.
So got some really cool stuff. Long Island.
Excited about
LIV.
that. So we're gonna get moving, and stay tuned for more lives. I will not be doing a happy hour live today. So this is kind of my
Your time.
my time, my cocktail time with Jamie and Marcus today. So I hope everybody has an awesome day, and we will catch you probably tomorrow. Have a great night. Enjoy this beautiful weather we're having, and we'll see you on our next live.
Sounds good, everybody.